and welcome to another Bow Tie Friday. And I mentioned last week that I was going to try and make Saasha coffee. So this is the coffee machine, and it's warm. So on this very cold day of -2 degrees,
so cold.
Woo! I'm hoping that you're all taking care and looking after yourselves out there, and you've had a fantastic week. I really do. Shout out to Jerry Walsh. Fantastic shout out to Mo. How you going, sir? Hope that's all going well.
A few birthdays actually. It was Mo's birthday. It was Brad's birthday.
Brad's birthday. Mo's birthday. Oh, a lot of birthdays.
He had a birthday. 2 years.
Very
exciting.
2 years old, people. OLEOLOGY for 2 years. So and the place hasn't folded. So very happy with that outcome.
That's a KPI up for Chris.
Shout out for me.
This is one of our training hubs.
Yes.
Training hub for coffee. This is very serious business. We filter water, but we also can filter some really good coffee.
Absolutely. So if ever you're in Cardinia, come on down, come and say hi, and it gives me, obviously, the more opportunity to learn how to make a cup of coffee and do what we need to do. So without further ado, there's a couple of steps. So we're going to break this up a little bit. So we're going to break it, we're going to show a step, we're going to break it, we're going to show a step, and we'll do that as we move through. So, all right, the grind! Let's grind! All right.
I'm going to go rogue with the camera.
Bit of a tamping down there, people.
Glasses are all warmed up. Alright, pressure looks good. We've done some pressure testing as we normally would for all of our systems. We've done pressure testing on the grind, so you can see they're perfectly leveled. Chris, I've taught you well so far.
Fantastic.
Will you pass the next test?
I have no idea. Obviously, people, I don't want to put the coffee into the machine straight away because otherwise the beans are going to cook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to froth up the milk to start with to get that to the level that I need to do. And then after I've done that, I'm going to put the beans into a quick filter and all that sort of stuff the machine does. And then I'll make the coffees after that.
All right.
So all good.
Checking in. I need some elevator music.
So you don't get that little spurt at the beginning, basically, with your coffee machine. You just sit it in, people, just after the little bit of a sound.
Hang on, I'm going rogue. Ladies and gentlemen, let's come to the station.
I might have actually worked it out.
Oh, alright. It's in.
What are we doing?
I'll have one. I'm hoping you're going to make me have one. I'm going to do how good this pour is. I'm going to go rogue again with the camera to give you, let's see how good he can pour the milk. Pressure's on, Roberts. Pressure is on. Here we go. Oh, is he using the spoon? Should he be doing that with the spoon?
I don't know.
I don't know. What do you normally do? Just scoop her in there. Oh, look at that. Oh, like a surgeon.
Like a surgeon.
Hey!
The foam is awesome. Right.
So if anyone is ordering me a coffee, for those who I haven't had a meeting with yet, it's just the cold stuff. Straight up there, nice and easy. Cheers.
Cheers to you. All right.
Cheers to you, beautiful people of Filterland, joining us on this amazing, fresh Friday morning.
Fun fact, Sash.
Oh, tell me.
Do you know why that we've got the kangaroo and the emu on our coat of arms, Sash? Do you know why they were put there in the very beginning?
Tell me, Chris.
Because the kangaroo and an emu can't walk backwards, and they were put there as a symbolic symbol for Australia moving forward, and that was the reason. Kangaroos and emus don't walk backwards. Can't walk backwards.
So forward thinking.
Absolutely.
I like being at the cutting edge of
Cutting edge of coffee making, cutting edge of fun facts, cutting edge of water treatment, which is what we do. Take the black stuff or the dark stuff, turn it into the good stuff.
Yep.
For environment, that's what we're into. So if you need any water treatment at all, please let us know. And to all those people out there, we offer a safe and a very good weekend. We thank you always for staying tuned and seeing what we're doing and seeing what crazy bow tie I'm wearing and all of the above.
I am liking this black and white number that you have on this week, Chris.
Bit of a stripy number this week, so so all good.
Absolutely.
Good. So look, we're going to get back and do some work and make it all happen for us, obviously. And it's been a couple of years, so thank you very much to everybody out there that's made my couple of years most enjoyable working here and being clients and all of that sort of stuff. Everybody at the Petroleum Club, everybody at the Mining Association.
Yes.
All of those people, thank you so very, very much. You make my life excellent every single day, as well as you, Sash. Thank you very much.
Stop it, but keep going.
Yeah. All right, so take care, everybody. Check on your people, as we say every week with mental health. Big thing here.
Yeah.
So make sure that you check on them. And we'll see you again next week. We're going to do a lot more impromptu videos. We're going to throw a lot more little quick ones up and all that sort of stuff to keep everybody happy and on their pace during the week and on the game.
Yep.
So, we'll talk to you all soon. Stay well, stay happy, and value your time.
Cool.
That is the best.
This is actually the best one you've done.
That is the best one I've ever done.
How good's that?
Mate, that's awesome.
Who needs practice?
Oh.